In this demonstration, I'm going to show how we can purchase a product using existing funds in our wallet account. We're going to use this account that I've created. It's tied to my Allied Wallet account, mike@alliedwallet.com. The account currently has $100 in the account. The funds can be deposited through maybe ACH, credit card, or a wallet-to-wallet transfer, to name a few. So if we go ahead and we start up a purchase, we'll do this by clicking on this link I've created. We have been redirected to our payment page. In this case, what we're doing is we're purchasing a super widget, the best widget ever, and the total cost is $30. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and sign in. And I'm going to be shown a message. Click continue to purchase with your existing balance of $100. So go ahead and do that. I'm going to continue. I'm going to be presented with a confirmation page. I have a little placeholder right here right now that's going to show a message indicating that I'm going to transfer $30 to the merchant. So we'll go ahead and confirm that. And I get my congratulations message that my transaction has been approved. And I'm redirected to the URL the merchant has specified for their successful transactions. So if I go back and I look at my account that previously had $100 in it, I should now have 30. I'll refresh that. Or I should now have 70, and there's $70. And the first transaction shows the $30. And if I go ahead and click on the details, we will see the transaction information. And that concludes the process when I have funds existing in my account. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change my total balance. I'm going to change it to $10. It'll be $20 less than the purchase price of the widget. We'll go back here and I'll restart this process. And make sure we're back here. We'll go ahead and refresh this. I'll show I have $10 in my account. Start the process for the purchase. I'll log into my account again. And this time I'm going to get a little bit different message. I'm going to have a message showing how much I currently have in my wallet balance, and that's $10. And that's less than the total price, so I need to load my wallet first before I can complete this purchase. I'm going to go ahead and continue. And on this page, what we're going to have, this hasn't been wired in yet, but customers will be able to associate a credit card to their wallet account. And here we'll have a drop down, use an existing wallet account, or an option, use a new wallet or a new credit card account. In this case, the default value that's shown here is the difference between the purchase price and the amount I currently have in my account, which is I currently have $10, so I need to load at least 20. But I am given an option to add more than just the 20. And we will have validators on here that's a minimum and maximum that we're going to allow to use. So we'll go ahead and I'll put in some of my test card information. And I'll go ahead and continue this purchase. And we get a message back, your wallet deposit was successful. We haven't purchased anything yet. All we've done is added funds to our wallet account. A customer could theoretically leave right now, not make the purchase. However, they will now have an increase in their wallet account. We added 120, so now we have 130. We can see the details of that deposit right here. The information was a merchant allied wallet, it was a deposit, it was successful, and then a little note is what card number we used. We'll go ahead and we'll refresh that page. Come back to our purchase process. As we can see, we've loaded funds into our account, so we're basically taken back to what was shown in the previous demonstration when you have enough funds in your account to cover the purchase price. And here we have a message, click continue to purchase with your existing balance of $130. We'll go ahead and continue. We're presented with the same page. Billing details, we're going to transfer $30, it's a little placeholder. And we'll go ahead and confirm this. And we're back to the same process, a congratulations message, and we'll be redirected to the merchant, which we've done successfully. We go back and we look at our wallet account. Previously had 130, and we'll go ahead and refresh this. I should just have 100. It's changed to 100, and once again we have that transaction showing up with the details. That concludes the process of when we have an existing account but not enough funds. The one last thing I'm going to briefly go over, it hasn't been completely set up in the system, but that would be the process when you're a new wallet user. Basically, we're going to have one step before the process I just previously showed where I don't have enough funds. And then this step is going to simply be create your account, supply your email address, a unique email address, your password, and your account details. At that point, a wallet will be created. Email message will be sent out for the user to validate that they've got the email address and turn on their account. However, they'll have at that point they have zero funds in their account. They will be able to continue with the purchase as was shown previously, where they have $0 in their account, and go ahead and, since no card will have been set up, this first card they use to load their account will be set as their default credit card that has been associated with their Allied Wallet account. And then the process will be the same from there. They will deposit money into their account. We'll say they deposit $100, and then they can look at their account. They'll see I have $100, and then they can go ahead and continue with the wallet transfer for the purchase of the product.